What happened?
The soup.
What's up? Today we are at KPop Chicken, which is actually secretly Kenzo. And it's right off of Blossom Hill in South San Jose. And what did y'all order?
This is a yum chicken, right? Yeah. Korean yum chicken.
Yum chicken.
And then this is the soy garlic chicken.
Oh.
Yeah. And then they're saying that the owner is like, this is like their kind of startup-ish concept. Yeah. They want to see how it goes, and then they're going to open a shop.
Nice.
That replace Kenzo.
Replace Kenzo? I don't know about that. I like Kenzo. It is a bit soupy. That's kind of weird. It's not normal. I wonder if that was intentional. Flavor's good? Dude, they got... Oh, it is? Alright, let me try that. I'm trying no carbs, but tofu counts. Fish. The spice is good. Yum.
The heat is good.
I would really want to try this. It looks like they put rice cake with the wings, but it's fried rice cake. Yep. This one, the flavor is bomb. Oh yeah. Yeah. The one with the almonds on it. All right. And then we'll try. Yeah, that flavor is good. Lanan is a Korean chicken enthusiast. I mean connoisseur. How did you like it? The flavor?
I didn't try it yet. I only ate the rice cake.
Oh, the crispy rice cake.
But the flavor is good.
Wow. Soy garlic is also really good. Wow.
And it's so crunchy.
Yeah, it's crunchy and it's... Try it. This place's reputation is up to Lanan.
Oh yeah.
It's good, she said. It's good, thank goodness. Oh man. So we made a vote. Our favorite chicken is the soy garlic. Or what do you guys think? Which one was your favorite?
Soy garlic. For me.
I'll probably say this one.
Okay,
Because I
so
like sweet.
3 of us think this, and Christina thinks the other one. This I think is different because that fly's consistent. This I think is different because it's like a dry rub soy garlic. You don't normally see that. So different. Nope, that's it for our video. Later. Bye.